Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming support and ensuring power. Biometrics need hardware and a stable battery level. Once ready, unlock the device with your PIN or password so changes are authorized. Now navigate to Settings, then Security and Privacy or Biometrics and Passcode, depending on your OS. Make sure to read on-screen permission prompts. They explain why sensors need access. This initial step authorizes system-level enrollment and prevents lockouts later. So do not skip entering. You now select the biometric type you want to enroll and tap Start or Add. During enrollment, follow the prompts precisely. Move your finger or face slowly to capture different angles and make small adjustments so the sensor records full coverage. Once the system shows completion progress, verify secondary options like unlock for apps and payments. Make sure to set or confirm a strong fallback PIN or password. It's required if biometric fails or after device restart, and it secures recovery. You finish by testing the new biometric across device unlock and any enabled apps or payments to verify success. If recognition fails, first clean the sensor or camera and try re-enrolling with different angles. Once done, update the OS and restart the device to clear conflicts. If problems persist, remove the enrollment and add it again, and make sure no screen protectors or cases obstruct sensors. If you see repeated failures, use the fallback PIN to avoid lockout, and then troubleshoot further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.